Hello everyone. Hello. So welcome to this course. This course belongs to I1650 protocol part 1 basic understanding. In this course we'll provide you I1650 overview, substation automation, data model, information exchange, SCL files and simulator tools. Then who this course for? Electrical engineers, system integrators, students, researchers and VNV validation experts. So there is an instruction information. Me, Aditya Saxena, Substation Automation expertise, 11 years of experience in the power sector, distribution sector, and the validation. Section-wise, we have divided this course: introduction and content overview, substation automation system, data model and SQL files, and different simulator tools we have explained. And here's are the students given review to our course. You can see different reviews in our course, and very happy with this course, our students. And our course are provided discounted prices also. You can use the coupon codes available. And for any query, reach me at the Gmail ID adityasaxena1510 gmail.com, and there is a LinkedIn profile provided. Thank you.